If you are a beginner and you want to learn that how to insert right arrow in Word, then keep watching. First, you need to click on the insert and click on the shapes. And here you will see that the block arrows. This is the right arrow. Click on that and now drag it. And now you can change the color of your choice, and you can give some outlines as well. And now, so you can move and drag anywhere on the Word document. Moreover, you can see that this orange dot, and you can drag towards inside, and you can see that shape of arrow is increasing. And here you can drag inside, and you can see that the line is getting narrow. If you want to increase, then pick this white dot and drag to the left side. And here you can easily drag it. Also, you can rotate the arrow to any side. So another way is that click on the insert, click on the shapes again, and you can see that this is the arrow line. Now hold the shift key and drag the mouse to the right side. And here you can see that the right arrow is inserted. And if you want to customize it, first you need to click on the layout option and click on the square. And now you can move this arrow to any place of the Word document. And now right click and go to the format, shape, and here you can see that there is a width. You can increase the width of the arrow. You can also increase or decrease the transparency. Here is the transparency. It's up to you how you use it. Here is the color. You can change the color as well. You can also use the gradient line. Choose the first color, and here choose the second color, and you can play it from this slider and mix and match. And here is the type of arrow. You can select dot arrow from here, and you can also use other options as well. So in this way you can easily insert right arrow in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.